Okay, sige yun na po. Kantahan natin si Awi. Kantahan na natin si Awi, happy birthday.
Today I have a very special announcement to make. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Kanta pa tayo dahil happy birthday!
Bakit ka? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Na-shock ako. Sobrang na-shock ako kasi I don't celebrate my birthday talaga. And so nung mismong araw ng birthday ko, I was very sick. Tinulog ko lang yung birthday ko. Thank you Hobbycon for letting me celebrate my birthday here and with everyone that I love. Thank you Maki, thank you babe for arranging this. I know ikaw may pasimuno nito and sa mga nag-video greet, grabe. Wala akong masyadong friends talaga and those are the people that I also look up to. So I'm very happy. Congratulations.
Si Kim Kardashian daw kasi nagme-makeup pa eh. Oo, kaya to follow na lang daw yung ano.
So congratulations also to sa mga nag-arrange nito. Thank you very much. I feel celebrated and I feel very special. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Awi. Happy birthday.
Ate Awi, we hope your day is filled with as much joy and excitement as you've brought us. We wish you the happiest birthday and many more blessings to come. We also have another surprise for you.
Uy.
A lot of people would like to give you their gifts.
Oh my God!
Please come on stage.
Uy, wow!
Hey!
Hey! Hey! Hey! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Thank you, grabe.
Happy birthday, Ate!
Wow! Salamat po. Thank you. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Ang sweet ng mga taga-South. Palakpakan naman ng mga taga-South cosplayers. Yan. Thank you so much. Ay, salamat po. Salamat po. Thank you very much. Para ka palang ano dito, babe. Santa Awi. Pakihanda na yung mga pito nyo. Ipapain. Salamat. Happy birthday sa akin. Tapos na. Salamat. Lakas maka-ASAP. Ayan, nag-birthday ka sa ASAP. Ang sweet. Pero mas sweet po kung tutulungan niyo po kami. Joke lang. Joke lang. Salamat po. We appreciate your gifts. Share ko lang lahat ng mga gifts niyo sa amin ni Awi. Nakalagay po yan, hindi po namin yan tinatapon. Lahat nakatabi. Lahat ng staff, yung kama ko puno na ng staff toy na mga bigay niyo.
Nahihiya ako. So, thank you po. Hello.
Maybe what we can do is doon na po tayo sa sa table. Then they can give the gift, tama ba? Ayan, I think sige. Habang binibigyan si Awi ng gifts, palakpakan natin lahat ng mga booth na nandito. Thank you so much po for being here. More benta.